The coconut is a great fruit. We all know how delicious the flesh is, and the water is nutritious with lots of potassium. But also the outside husk is very beneficial. It's used in textiles to make ropes and to make things like our fiber cocoa pots. And it can be ground down to the really finest, smallest particles, which are not really used in textiles, but are great for use in the garden. This leftover fiber is called coconut coir, coconut pith, or cocoa peat. It's similar to, but easier to use than sphagnum peat moss, and it's more sustainable too. This coir is biodegradable, but it biodegrades slowly, more slowly than regular peat moss and other organic matters. It's a naturally weed-free and soil-free product that smells good too. Coconut coir is a great soil amendment. It will add organic matter. It also helps improve soil structure no matter what kind of soil that you have, and it aerates the soil, which is great for the plant's roots. It acts as a sponge to hold water in the root zone so that the plants can use it when they need it. Coir has a better water holding capacity than most soil amendments, and it can hold 7 to 10 times its weight. At the same time that it holds on to water, it will also get rid of excess water so that your plants don't become waterlogged. Although it doesn't have any significant nutrient value of its own, it helps the soil retain nutrients so that it's available to the plants. The Coco Coir fiber often comes in compressed blocks, which will have to be soaked in water and then broken apart to use them. Just be sure and expand your block in a container that can hold 7 times the volume of the block. Add water and let it absorb and expand. It may take about 15 minutes. You can use a shovel or a digging fork to break apart any large remaining chunks and stir it until it's fluffy. If you prefer something ready to use, the coconut coir comes in ready-to-use bags like this Just Coir and Coco Loco. In your garden or for your potted plants, you can mix up to 40% coir with your soil or potting mix. You can also use it plain or create your own soilless mix for seed starting or hydroponics. Remember, if using it as a soilless potting mix, it does not contain sufficient nutrients of its own, so you'll need to water in liquid fertilizers regularly. For starting small seeds, it is best to use fine pith coconut coir. As a soil amendment, coir is nice on its own, but even better when combined with other amendments such as rice hulls and perlite. Using them in combination will provide you with the best results in drainage, aeration, and water retention. Coir also makes a great worm bin bedding. Try some coconut coir fiber in your garden this season and grow organic for life.